All right, Kevin Solomon again here with the Ohio Painting Company, finishing up the house here. Got a little more color to do here. Got some detail on the front door, as you can see. And a little bit of a detail on the back side also. But here on the left side, I think we've got a great look. You can tell it's an old house. That stone going in, brushing, and we're spraying it, but we're brushing in that wood. Got some pretty damaged wood here in the back that needs a lot of help, so making sure that it gets taken care of. Nice, thick, rich, and chocolate. Okay, maybe not that, more gray, but anyway.